Allah is Al-Halimu, the most kind. Allah is Al-Halimu, the most kind, never hasty, even with the wrongdoers, but rather he is opening for them, he is giving them chance, he is calling them, and he will accept them when they come back, because he is Al-Halimu, the most kind. Allah. There is a word in the Quran, Farrah. Farrah is this word. All the time when it comes in the Quran, most of the places in the Quran, it's making ta'addi with min, from, to fly. He flew from, to. So farrah, whenever it comes in the Quran, you will see it accompanied with min. It's making ta'addi with min, with a transitive verb. Min. Farrah, min. Farrah, min. Example, Allah said, Farrat min qaswara. He ran away from the beasts. Right or wrong? If you are afraid of a beast, what do? You run away from it. You don't run to it, but you run away from it. When you and I sick, we go to the hospital. Why? I don't want to die, and you don't want to die. But listen to Allah. قُلْ إِنَّ الْمَوْتَ الَّذِي تَفِرُّونَ مِنْهُ. Say, this death that you are running away from, that you are flying away from, فَإِنَّهُ مُلَقِكُمْ. It will meet you. So my point here is that word farrah, to fly, to run. But you fly from, you run away from, because you are afraid of that thing. But my brothers and sisters in Islam, fear Allah. When they tell you fear Allah, you don't run away from Allah, but you run to Allah. فَفِرُّوا إِلَى اللَّهِ. Run and fly, not from Allah, but to Allah. If you run away from Him, where can you go? Al-ardu arduhu was-sama'u sama'u. Where can you hide? The earth is His and the heaven is His. Where are you going? So you run to Him, not from Him, and He will accept you whenever you come to Him, because He is Al-Halimu, and He deserves to be worshipped, and He is one and the only one. I bear witness, and I bear witness, our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is Allah's last and final messenger. My dear brother, my dear sister, Allah said to him, listen to this, قَدْ نَعْلَمُ إِنَّهُ لَيَحْزُنُكَ الَّذِي يَقُولُونَ فَإِنَّهُمْ لَا يُكَذِّبُونَكَ. In Surah Al-An'am, Allah said to him, Ya Muhammad, قَدْ نَعْلَمُ, certainly, indeed, we know that it depresses you what they say. When you talk to them and they don't accept, and they reject, and they deny you. Whenever this happens, Ya Rasulullah, Ya Muhammad, oh my messenger, I know it depresses you. I know it pains you. But listen, Ya Muhammad, sallallahu alayka ya Rasulullah, فَإِنَّهُمْ لَا يُكَذِّبُونَكَ. They are not rejecting you. They know that Muhammad, you are the truth. They know that yes, indeed, Muhammad, you came with the truth. وَلَكِنَّ الظَّالِمِينَ بِآيَاتِ اللَّهِ يَجْحَدُونَ. Just that when it comes to the wrongdoers, they are rejecting the word of Allah because they are arrogant, not because they don't believe that the message of Muhammad is truth.